Hey everyone, welcome back to CAR New Model. Today, we're diving into the latest masterpiece from BMW, the 2026 7 Series. From its jaw-dropping design to its game-changing features, we'll cover everything you need to know. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 BMW 7 Series? It's bold and unapologetically modern. The iconic kidney grille now features a dynamic illuminated surround, turning heads both day and night. These sculpted lines create a perfect harmony of elegance and aerodynamics. And check out these adaptive laser headlights. They're not just beautiful but also incredibly intelligent, offering enhanced visibility in all conditions. The rear design? Sleek, sophisticated, and unmistakably BMW. From its aerodynamic elements to its futuristic light signature, this sedan commands attention from every angle. Step inside the 2026 BMW 7 Series, and you're entering a world of luxury and innovation. Every detail is meticulously crafted to provide an unmatched driving experience. The Sky Lounge panoramic sunroof takes things to the next level with its dynamic lighting effects. Whether it's day or night, the cabin feels open, luxurious, and inviting. The 2026 BMW 7 Series is as powerful as it is luxurious. With multiple powertrain options, there's something for every kind of driver. You can choose from the refined inline-6, the roaring V8, or the all-electric i7. The electric model delivers up to 650 horsepower and a range of over 400 miles. And for those who want a bit of everything, the plug-in hybrid offers impressive performance with eco-friendly benefits. Thanks to BMW's adaptive suspension and all-wheel steering, the 7 Series handles like a dream. It's agile, responsive, and incredibly smooth, even on challenging roads. The 2026 BMW 7 Series is more than just a car, it's a statement. It blends cutting-edge technology, breathtaking design, and unmatched performance into a single luxurious package. So, what do you think? Does this flagship sedan live up to BMW's legendary reputation? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CAR New Model for more deep dives into the cars of tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.